So I haven't had hair for about 45 years. Everyone that knows me as I look now, as a bald man. So really this is a whole new me, and being able to wear nicer clothes and having hair and looking good and feeling good and enjoying myself.
Yeah.
You know, it's never too late, and I just think there's too many older guys think, well, I've got to sod it, that's it now, you know, why bother? This is my time.
Yeah.
For me, it's about doing something that I've wanted to do for about 45 years, and that's to have a hairstyle.
Let's do it then.
I'm really excited.
Okay, I'm going to count to 3, and then you're going to take the glasses off and see your new hair. Are you ready? Yeah. 1, 2, 3. That's